Are you going to buy that?
Yes, I like. Improve your vocabulary with these phrases when shopping for clothes. Yeah, it fits me well. It suits me. It looks really good on me. This is my size. This is totally my style. I love how this looks. This is exactly what I was looking for. Everything matches. Want to learn more useful or commonly used words or practice words from your own vocabulary? Use Lola Speak app. With daily exercises in listening, speaking, and writing, you'll boost and reinforce your knowledge, expand your vocabulary, and improve your pronunciation. Lola Speak app. Try it now. If you say, I cut my hair, it sounds like you did it yourself. Instead, you can say, I got a haircut, or I'm getting my haircut today. If you only got a little bit cut out the ends of your hair, you can say, I got a trim. And if your friend got a new haircut, you can say, I love your haircut. Got it? When's the last time you got the haircut? Let me know in the comments. Don't say because every single time. Let's learn some advanced alternatives. Due to. The store is closed due to renovations. In light of. In light of his recent promotion, we organized a surprise party. Owing to. Owing to the traffic, we arrived late to the meeting. Thanks to. Thanks to your advice, I finally finished the book. As a result of. As a result of his careless driving, he got a fine. Be careful with the context. Write one sentence using one of the advanced connectors in the comments and I'll tell you if it's correct. Don't say toilet every time and everywhere. Instead, you can say this. If you are on an airplane, you can say lavatory. Excuse me, which way is lavatory? If you are in the mall, you can say restroom. Like the restroom is near the food court. If you are in your house, you can say bathroom. The bathroom is down the hall. If you are in your office, you can say washroom. Like the washroom is located on the second floor. Want to know more? Follow me. Thank you. You're welcome. Stop saying you're welcome all the time. Here are some alternatives. No problem. My pleasure. Anytime. Happy to help. Sure thing. No worries. Follow for more. Hey, where are you off to? Oh, she wants to know where I'm going. I'm off to the store. Do you need anything? Ew, yeah, the milk is off. Can you get some? She means the milk is not fresh. Yeah, sure. No way. What happened? It's Sarah. She says her wedding is off. Her wedding is off? It means it's cancelled. How come? Apparently it's because of her fiancé. I always knew the guy was a little off. It means the guy is strange. Crazy. Poor thing. We should go over to her house. Maybe tomorrow? Yeah, sure. I'm off tomorrow. Oh, she's not working. Okay, deal. Practice your spoken English with Lola Speak. Just 5-7 minutes a day and you'll feel the difference. Speak confidently, fluently, and naturally, like a native speaker. Grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, Lola Speak has it all and even more. Download now and start speaking.